Answers and explanations to Test Qs free SHL style test. This video will be only about free test SHL questions, and we'll let you know where you can find more free questions at the end of this video. Numerical reasoning. The bar graph below shows the sales in millions of dollars of 3 different products: mobiles, computers, and laptops over 4 years, 2018 to 2021. Study the graph carefully and use the information provided to answer the following multiple-choice questions. Question 1. The company paid a 17% tax on mobile sales across all 4 years. What was the total revenue generated from mobiles before tax, keeping all other expenditures aside? A. $78.85 million. B. $85.40 million. C. $90.00 million. D. $95.00 million. E. $100.00 million. Correct answer: D. $95 million. Explanation. Mobile sales for each year. 2018, $22 million. 2019, $24 million. 2020, $19 million. 2021, $30 million. Total mobile sales before tax equals 22 plus 24 plus 19 plus 30 equals $95 million. Now, if tax is 17%, then revenue after tax equals 95 times 1 to 0.17 is equal to 95 times 0.83 equals $78.85 million. Since the question asks for revenue before tax, and the tis simply $95 million, the correct answer is D. We need you to subscribe to our channel so you can receive on our Test HQ questions notifications. Question 2. The company aimed to increase laptop sales every year after 2018. How many of the next 3 years did they achieve higher laptop sales than in 2018? 0 years. B. 1 year. C. 2 years. D. 3 years. E. None of the above. Correct answer: B. Explanation. Laptop sales in 2018 24, 2019 27, 2020 21, 2021:18. Only 2019 had higher sales than 2018. Question 3. How much more revenue was generated from mobiles and laptops combined in 2019 compared to computers in 2020? A. $25 million. B. $28 million. C. $31 million. D. $34 million. E. $36 million. Correct answer: C. $31 million. Explanation. Mobiles in 2019 24. Laptops in 2019 27. Total equals 24 plus 27 is equal to 51 million. Computers in 2020 20 million. Difference equals 51 20 is equal to 31 million. At the end of this video, we'll let yours know where you can find more free questions like this. Question 4. In how many years did the company generate total product sales higher than the average sales across all 4 years? 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 4 years. None. Correct answer: 1 year. Explanation. Let's calculate total yearly sales. 2018, 22 plus 11 plus 24 is equal to 57. 2019, 24 plus 8 plus 27 is equal to 59. 2020:19 plus 20 plus 21 is equal to 60. 2021, 30 plus 24 plus 18 is equal to 72. Total across all years equals 57 plus 59 plus 60 plus 72 is equal to 248. Average equals 248 divided by 4 is equal to 62. Years with more than 62. Only 2021 72 is above average. Free SHL test questions is in the description. Wish good you luck in your test.